What's up, lovely people? Welcome to the new video. We are going to make a quick video about the red-eared slider turtle. So come here. You can see there is a red-eared slider which slipped down and which go inside the pond. Well, what can we do about it? So I want to show you another turtle, which is a flapsill turtle, which is also threatening throughout India because of the pet trade. People are keeping them as pets, which is not good for them. And there are also a red-eared slider turtle in this pond. Well, I have seen them, but I don't know where they go. They go inside the water. So I just want to see, there is a head popping out of the red-eared slider, you can see. So I am going to not seen the turtle. I am going to pop out the picture right here. So this is a red-eared slider. Well, in India the pet trade is really devastating our nature. Well, there are some monkeys which are called humans, which are disturbing from making videos. So I think we need to change the spot. Okay, so see you on the next spot. So I changed the spot because of the monkeys, the human monkeys. There are, oh my god, this is a bird. I don't know the name of this bird. Well, you all comment down what's the name of this bird. I am not a bird specialist, so I can't tell about these birds, but I can say these are beautiful. And you should not... Oh, wait a minute. I was telling about red-eared slider turtles. People keep them. People go and buy them as small turtles because they are like that size only, a size of a coin only. But when they grow pretty huge. Like they grow in that size, and so when they grow of that size, you can't keep them in small aquariums. So you just need to give them big place, which most of the people do not give and throw them away in any local pond or any river. This is really destroying our ecosystem. Well, the native turtles or the natural turtles which found in India, which are the local turtles, they feed on the dead carcasses. They feed on dead fishes and crustaceans, stuff like that. But what these turtles do is that these turtles eat on live fishes. So, and they have a pretty big stomach, so they eat all of them. Means if you throw them in a local pond, they can easily in 1 or 2 months they can easily vanish off all the fishes, because when you keep them as pets, they rely on the food, on the live food or the pellets, which you are not giving them properly in the local habitats or the natural pond habitats. So the message was that or you just don't keep turtles, or if you want, then please take care for the lifelong time. Do not throw them away in any local ponds or any local rivers or water systems, stuff like that, because if this will happen, the laws will go crazy and then you can't keep any turtle after a year or 2. So please mark my words and be a responsible citizenship for the citizen, or a responsible person for our ecosystem and for our country. So this was all for this video. I am not going to end this video. So ta-da! and please make sure to like, subscribe and share to your lovely friends. Bye-bye. So as you can see, this is the radiator slider, and most probably it is also come from a previous one. Look at there, what the pelican is doing, huh? Oh, can you see the beak coming? What is doing here? I can't get it. What is doing? Oh, there are two of them. What they are trying to do? Okay, going back to my video. See, there is a flapsel turtle, and this is the radiator slider. The two of them are moving. So now I'm closing this video. Be a responsible person for our environment and try to keep a turtle as long as possible, and do not throw them in any of the local river system or water system. It will destroy our ecosystem very fast. So please be responsible and share this video to all the reptile keepers, not all the reptile keepers, but all the turtle keepers. So thank you. See ya. Go inside the pond. Well, what can we do about it?